Hello everyone and welcome back to Divi video tutorials. In this quick video I'm going to show you how you can set up navigation menu. Go to Appearance, then Customize. Toggle Header and Navigation, then Primary Menu Bar. Here you need to change few options. First, change background color to this green that we designed specially for Jackson Layout Pack. Then change text and active link color to white. Also, you can change drop-down menu line color to same green color. Depending of your logo height, you might want to adjust menu height as well. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.